Good morning, students. So our today's topic is momentum. First thing we have to define the momentum. Momentum means the amount of motion present in an object who is moving. Means if any object is moving with uniform speed or non-uniform speed, then what happens? The momentum is there in that object. What does it mean? If body has mass m, velocity v, then momentum is mathematically also known as product of mass and velocity of an object. So if we want to write the definition of momentum, then we can say that it is the amount of motion present in an object. If we want to define mathematical way, then you can define momentum as the product of mass and velocity. Now let us see what is the unit of momentum. I hope you know the unit of mass. SI unit of mass, it is kg, and SI unit of velocity, it is meter per second. So kg meter per second is the SI unit of momentum. Similarly, we can solve the numericals based on it. If we know about the mass and velocity, then we can find the momentum easily. Some application is like this. Suppose if we are talking about the dog and horse, both are moving with the same velocity, then which has a higher momentum? In this situation, both are running with the same velocity. There is no change in velocity. Both are having fixed velocity, but still there is a difference between their masses. The horse has large mass and the dog has smaller mass. So what does it mean? The momentum, although they have the same velocity, still the momentum of both are different. And which has the higher momentum? Horse. For dog, we have momentum P1 is equal to M1V. For horse, it is P2 is equal to M2V. Why I have written V only? Because velocities of both are same. So if we compare the momentum, P1 divided by P2 is equal to M1V divided by M2V, we get cancelled. So what do we get? We get P1 divided by P2 as M1 divided by M2. Now, which has the greater mass? You know, M2 has the more mass. If M2 has more mass, then what does it mean? It is directly proportional to the P2. If this is more, this would be more. And if this is less, this would be lesser. We know mass of the dog is lesser, so the momentum of dog has to be lesser. Mathematically, we can also relate like this. M2 is greater than M1. This implies from this formula, if M2 is greater than M1, we can write P2 is greater than P1. So which has a higher momentum? It's horse. So if we are talking about the numericals, and in numerical, suppose I am giving you one numerical. An object has mass 2 kg and it is moving with the speed 36 km per hour. Numerical is very simple. Now what you have to do? You have to find the momentum of this object. Now let us see. Mass of object is given. How much? 2 kg. If mass of object is 2 kg and velocity of object is 36 km per hour. 36 km per hour. You have to find the momentum. But see, observe, here kg is the SI unit, but this is not SI unit. So you need to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Here I am getting 36 into 5 by 18. So it is coming out 10 meter per second. So what is the velocity? It is 10 meter per second. Now momentum is very easy. P is equal to mv and it's 2 multiplied by 10. So our answer is 20 kg meter per second. Okay. So in this way we can discuss the numerical, we can solve the numericals also, we can do some related questions also, some situations also. This is the topic known as momentum. Thank you, beta.